Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today I'm going to do some sushi, and the sushi I'm going to do is California roll, which is obviously the reverse, where the rice is on the outside, the sheet's on the inside, and all the awesome goodness. So I've got some roasted sesame seeds, sushi rice, some sushi roasted seaweed, soy sauce. We've got some sweet rice seasoning, some wasabi, seafood sticks, some cold water prawns, and some salmon fillets, cucumber, spring onions, and some carrots. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to get the rice on, and then start preparing all this. So we'll see you soon. So the rice is done. I'm going to took that out of the pan. I'm going to let this spread it out a little bit and let it cool down. And we've got our salmon, carrots, spring onions, cucumber, shrimps, and fish sticks all sorted out. So we'll come back in a minute and we'll start rolling. Okay, so we're back. We've got our ingredients chopped up. Got a rolling mat, cling film on. We'll cut a sheet in half. So I'm going to get some rice. Obviously, you know that the rice goes on the rough side. sesame seeds. We'll get hold of this. Flip that over. Then we just layer up our ingredients. I'm going to use a bit of some cucumber, some of our fish stick, nice little bit of spring onion. And what we do is just get hold of this. Make sure it's all tucked in. Roll it out. What we do, you just grab hold of the end and just push all this in. Push all the ingredients back in again. So square it off. Same with this one. Grab the end of it and just push that all the ingredients back in. So get the knife. Let the water run down it. We're going to cut it in half. Soy sauce. Would put some wasabi, but the wife don't like this, so I'm not going to put it on her ones. So I've just done these ones. So you know they're looking really tasty. So I'll make up some more and I'll bring you back. So see you soon. Okay, so here we go. We've got our California sushi rolls. Obviously it just means the rice is on the outside, a bit of sesame seed. Done one with prawns and fish sticks and spring onions, carrots, and I've got another one with some smoked salmon, spring onions, cucumber and carrots. So a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of this wasabi, and boy, you don't need a lot of that, that's for sure. So I'm going to eat this. I'm going to make up the rest of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later. Cheers. Bye bye.